Alright, here's the Mitchell dehumidifier. Let's go ahead and start her up. Yeah, she's a little rattly still. Yeah. Wow.
What's the last time it's been lit?
You're on, it just quiets down. It does. Yeah. Tecumseh S. I believe this is from the early 50s.
Tecumseh S?
Yep.
It just looks like it gets colder down here than it does. Probably just because of...
Listen to this. Gotta love vintage equipment. Listen to that, you can barely hear the compressor over the fan. It's running. Good.
Seems like this part of the coil is getting more colder than this part.
Yeah.
And all my tools are upstate, so I have no money for sure. Sucks, but I mean, how cold is it? 70 degrees?
It's about 70 out here right now.
Yeah, this thing's going to take a while to build high pressure, especially after not running since, what, October?
Yeah.
It's probably been longer than that. Did you start it up when I gave it to you?
Nope.
Yeah, this thing hasn't probably ran in about, how long ago was July of 22? Like...
It probably hasn't ran in about a year.
In about a year or so.
Yeah.
This thing's, I just have to get it out of the house.
Alright, so here it is running. Fan runs a hell of a lot smoother than the last time you've seen it. Overflow safety shut off. Automatic overflow safety shut off. That's what that is?
What is it?
Automatic overflow safety shut off is what that little light does.
I'm gonna lift the float, see if it'll... It's not working.
No, I don't see it.
Oh, because that switch is all messed up.
Yeah, that switch barely works.
I don't want to play with all those plugged in because I'm fucking electrocuted.
It worked once when I did it.
Yeah,
at
look
the
at
old
this.
house.
See, it's... Oh, it's weird. It's not frosting up on this side. You see it?